opening scene. Hey there, fellow travelers. Ready to embark on an unforgettable journey along Italy's stunning Amalfi Coast? Let's dive into this Mediterranean paradise and explore the charming towns of Positano, Ravello, Amalfi, and more. First up, Positano, famously known as the Vertical City. Imagine strolling through narrow streets lined with pastel-colored houses, each one more picturesque than the last. Relax on Spiaggia Grande Beach, where the turquoise waters meet the dramatic cliffs. Don't forget to shop for handmade leather sandals and locally designed clothes. And for a true taste of Positano, a romantic sunset at La Sirenuse or a seaside meal at Chez Black is an absolute must. Next, let's head to Ravello, perched high on the cliffs. This town is a haven for garden lovers and culture enthusiasts. Visit Villa Cimbrone and Villa Rufolo for stunning gardens and breathtaking views of the coast. If you're here in the summer, the Ravello Music Festival, held in an open-air setting, is an experience you won't want to miss. Also, dive into history at the Ravello Cathedral, a treasure trove of stories and architectural beauty. Now, let's explore Amalfi, the heart of the coast. The Amalfi Cathedral, with its stunning Arab-Norman architecture, is a true gem. Wander through the charming streets and treat yourself to some fresh limoncello from local shops. Discover the coast's rich maritime history at the Arsenale Maritime Museum. And for a touch of adventure, take a boat trip to Grotta dello Smeraldo, a glowing sea cave that's simply magical. For the adventurers, the Path of the Gods Trail is a must-do. This legendary hike from Aggerola to Nocelle offers breathtaking views over the sea. Make sure to wear proper shoes and bring plenty of water. This hike can take up to 3 hours. Not a hiker? No worries. Rent a boat to explore hidden beaches and secret coves along the coast, or take a day trip to Capri for luxury shopping and a visit to the Blue Grotto. Don't miss Fiordo di Furore, a unique fjord and one of the coast's most Instagram-worthy spots. So when's the best time to visit the Amalfi Coast? Peak season from June to August is lively but crowded. For pleasant weather and fewer tourists, consider the shoulder seasons in April, May, or September, October. And if you prefer quiet, the off-season from November to March is for you, though some hotels and restaurants may close. Ready to plan your dream trip? Remember, the Amalfi Coast is all about breathtaking views, delicious food, and unforgettable experiences. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides. See you in the next video.